start with the intro, which is very easy. Just a lot of G's over here. And then we'll start with the chorus. We'll learn 2 bars at a time. So for the pedal board, I have C, C, G, C. So if you start with your left foot on C, right foot on G, you just need to remember left, left, right, left. And on the left hand, I have E, G, B, G. That's basically E minor chord. Yeah. So we put pedal and the left together. And now I'm going to play my right hand melody plus the pedal board. And now we're going to play everything together. And speed up slightly. Now I'm moving to the next 2 bars. I have C, F, C, G on the pedal board. It's up to you. You can use the toe and the heel. So C, F with the heel, and C and the toe is actually, I personally do not mind moving 1 step up. The toe heel technique is very useful for the scale, yeah. But over here I can just do left, right, left, right. Anyway, and I'm going to add left hand. Nice. You don't really need to move the position of your left hand. Now I'm going to do pedal board with right hand. Putting everything together very slowly. Speed up. Okay, let's move down to the next one. Like that. Lastly, we'll do D, C. And here I'm going to use toe and heel. So I have C and E. That's straightforward because if you sit in the middle of the organ, yeah, you relax your feet will fall very naturally on the C and the E. I have C, E, and then I use a heel for D and C. Yeah. Okay. Add left hand. Yeah. Do it again. Okay. And now I play right hand. We're going to do everything together. Speed up slightly. Now we move to the next section. For the pedal board, it's repeated. Now, D, B, G, G, D, D, A. Yeah. Hopefully it's straightforward. You can also find to use that reference. That's F sharp. The first note after the black key is a G. Yeah. feel it. Okay, add the left hand. There are only 5 notes on the left hand, and you got 5 fingers to match them. Now we're going to play the whole 4 bars very slowly.